Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
A day early.
Happy Friday the 13th.
Yes.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Go.
Today's meal
Go.
was
Go.
some sort of roast beef.
Roast beef
Go.
with gravy. And
Yum, yum, yum.
roasted vegetables.
Go.
And
Go,
steamed
Mommy.
broccoli with butter.
Go, Mommy. Go.
And
Mommy.
heart-shaped shortcake with berries and ice cream.
Was it homemade ice cream?
It was
Coconut.
coconut ice cream.
It was very yummy.
Heart-shaped buns.
And today I sent off an application for a fellowship that I've been working on for a long time, so I'm like, we didn't really talk about what we would talk about with this little video posting.
No theme today.
I had a question for Marie. Can I ask you a question? I want to ask you a question. What is the earliest thing you remember in your life? Do you remember being in the Cobb house in Austin? Or Bastrop?
I remember being inside the bathtub. Oh no!
Oh yeah? Outside in the bathtub? That was great. Having a
Did
hot tub outside. That was nice.
The horse trough hot tub.
So you remember that? Do you remember anything earlier than that? No?
Do you remember the chickens?
You had guinea fowl or something,
We
right?
did.
And something ate them.
Something ate them several times.
Let's throw them up in there! Throw them!
The third
that's
time
all
I
we-
gave up.
That's all we got tonight, I guess. We'll keep it short.